Let's talk about scope management. It's the process whereby outputs, outcomes, and benefits are identified, defined, and controlled. It's key to keeping our projects on track, preventing scope creep, and delivering successful results. It's all about identifying, defining, and controlling what's in and out of our projects. This means understanding the project's boundaries, so the clearer our scope, the less room there is for misunderstandings or last-minute changes.
Depending on the project's life cycle, I'll manage scope differently. In linear life cycles, the scope is more fixed and detailed right from the start, while in iterative life cycles, I prioritise must-have requirements and adapt the scope as I go.
Outcomes are the changes that occur when those outputs are used, which leads to the realisation of benefits. And defining scope means I have to be clear about the what and why of my project's deliverables.
Gathering requirements is like collecting puzzle pieces, so I can understand my project's picture better. Analysing them helps me prioritise the essential must-have, should-haves, could-haves and won't-haves using the Moscow method.
Scope creep is when the project scope keeps expanding uncontrollably due to changes, miscommunication, or a lack of tools. This could lead to increased costs, delays, and overall chaos. But don't panic. Dealing with scope creep is all about having the right tools. We have to 1. Define project requirements clearly. 2. Establish a change control process. 3. Involve stakeholders early. 4. Maintain open communication. And 5. Monitor project progress regularly. Gantt charts can be helpful for managing scope creep, so get to grips with how they work.
Configuration management ensures my project stays on track, with version control of documents and controlled change. It's like knowing where each puzzle piece goes so my project's picture doesn't get distorted.
I used to worry about what do I do when changes are inevitable, but I've found that this is when managing changes effectively comes into play. I now embrace change as an opportunity to improve and adapt. I prioritise changes based on their impact and alignment with project goals. I keep stakeholders informed and engaged throughout the process, ensuring buy-in and support. I try to remember that change is part of the journey, and if I approach things right, it can lead to even better project outcomes.
My ultimate goal is to deliver projects within defined parameters. I stay focused on the project's objectives, timelines, and budget. I regularly assess progress and use performance indicators to track my project's health. If there are changes, I evaluate their potential effects on scope, schedule, and resources. I maintain effective communication with the team, stakeholders, and clients to address challenges and make sure everyone's on the same page. I believe that successful delivery isn't just me meeting the finish line, it's about exceeding expectations and delivering true value to my stakeholders.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, why not check out our other videos on our channel.